Hey guys, I'm Nikki. Welcome to Class FitSugar. Today I'm going to be coaching you through a 10-minute upper body workout. We're going to be using a light pair of dumbbells. I'm going to be using some 5s, but feel free to use something lighter or heavier. It's totally up to you. And I'm super excited. Let's get started. All right, so we're going to get started with one of my favorite shoulder exercises. It's called the 6-way shoulder. So we're going to be doing a combination movement. We're going to come up to a lat raise, front raise, all the way up, and then back down. You want to keep the shoulders back and down, nice and controlled the whole time. We're just going to do a couple more. And last one. Right, good. From there, we're gonna go down to a twisted chest fly. So it's just like a regular chest fly, but I'm adding a little bit of a twist. So you're going out and then turning the wrists inward as you come up. So this twist is just isolating the pecs a little bit more, activating those muscle fibers. We're just gonna do a few more here. Last two, out and twist, out and twist. Awesome, let's come up and do one more set. Shoulders back and down, ready, and coming up, lat raise to front, all the way up, and back down. Keeping everything nice and controlled. Use that core to help you not hyperextend. Take your time with these. Got it. And let's do 2 more. Last one. And rest. Good. Let's come down back to our twisted chest fly. So opening up and twisting the wrist towards you as you come up. Out and twist. Squeeze those pecs at the top. We're almost there. Let's do 3 more. Last 2, out and twist, out and twist. Awesome, okay. We're gonna stay down and we're gonna go to tricep extensions lying down. So this is one of my favorite tricep exercises. You wanna keep the elbows in close to the face, extend all the way up. So with this one, you're using 2 dumbbells separately, and sometimes you can notice that one arm is stronger than the other, which is why I really like this exercise, because you can work on improving those imbalances. It's always good to use the same weight for both. That way we can work on getting that weaker one a little bit stronger. Let's go for 3 more. 3, and last 2. And last one. Great, we're gonna keep that tricep burn going. We're gonna come up to tricep kickbacks into a pulse. So you wanna be flat back, slight bend in the knees. Elbows are up, and take these nice and slow and controlled. Try not to use any momentum or swinging. Take your time with these. Don't rush. So we're sculpting the back of the arms. We're gonna do a few more and then we're gonna pulse. Let's do 3. Last 2. Last one, keep it out and pulsing up. 10 more seconds. Almost there, you got it. And relax. Nice. All right, let's go down. We're gonna repeat one more time. Back to tricep extensions. Elbows are up and extending all the way up. Should start to feel the back of those arms burning. Let's do 3 more. Last one. Excellent. All right. We're gonna come back up. One more tricep kickback into pulse. Nice flat back, elbows up, extending from there. Almost there. We're gonna do one more pulse in 3, 2, 1, and pulsing up. Little pulses. Let's go for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. All right, last circuit. We're gonna get some upper back. So let's stay in that bent over position. Nice flat back. We're getting the upper back in traps. Elbows are gonna go out, squeezing the shoulder blades together. So we're getting the top of the back. Got it. Let's do 3 and 2 and 1. Excellent. From there, I want to get some biceps in there. So we're going to do a twist on a regular bicep curl. This one is called the Zotman curl. So you're going to come up, flip at the top, down, flip at the bottom. So we're just adding in a little bit of a flip, getting some forearm work in there as well. My forearms are always sore when I'm carrying my groceries or something heavy, so I like this one because it helps me work on my grip strength at the same time as those biceps. Control it on the way down. Let's do 2 more. Last one. Excellent, and we're almost there. Let's do one more set. Back to wide grip rows. All right, flat back. Squeeze the shoulder blades together as the elbows come out. 1, squeeze. Got it, good. Keep that back nice and flat. Let's do 3, 2, and 1. All right, one more Zotman curl. Take your time with these. Really keep the core engaged. We don't want any swinging or anything like that. All right, curling up, flip all the way down, and flip at the bottom. Good, take your time. Your arms might be feeling a little bit fried at this point, but I just like to remind myself to stay focused, and focusing on my breath helps me through as well. And just know that you're gonna feel stronger each time you do this workout. So it's all about noticing the little improvements. Let's do 3 more. Last 2. Last 1. Awesome, you guys made it. Congratulations. Thank you for joining me. I hope your arms feel nice and sculpted and toned, and I'll see you at the next Class FitSugar.